Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today, I welcome you in Techno Expert session. Today, we will talk about the difference between grade A, grade B, and second lithium battery cells. In market, lithium batteries are available in grade A, grade B, and second cells. Let's understand what A grade, B grade, and second cells actually means. When the battery cells comes out from the production line, manufacturer performs many tests such as capacity test, internal resistance test, voltage consistency, appearance inspection, thickness and swelling, charge and discharge performance. If the cell meet all the quality standards, it will be classified as grade A cells. If it fails any parameter, it becomes grade B or sometimes C or second cell. Grade B cell fails due to lower capacity than standard, higher internal resistance, voltage deviation, higher self-discharge, swelling or surface issues, scratches, marks, or injection port defect. Manufacturers usually do not disclose the exact reason why a cell becomes grade B. Here is a breakdown of all three cells. Grade A cells. These cells match 100% of the manufacturer's technical specification for capacity, IR, and physical dimensions. A grade cell have more than 100% of rated capacity. Its characteristics: higher consistency. Cells in a pack have identical capacity and voltage. IR value low and well matched, and very low self-discharge rate. Long cycle life. They provide the maximum rated life cycle, that is 6000 plus cycles. These are best used for critical applications. High performance electrical vehicles and system requires long-term reliability. They are having highest cost price due to strict quality control. Coming to grade B cells, these cells fail to meet the stringent criteria for grade A during manufacturer testing. These are not necessarily broken, rather than have minor deviations. Grade B cells have a rating capacity of 90 to 95%. Coming to their characteristics, you will find slight variations. May have lower capacity, higher internal resistance than the specification. IR value will be higher and inconsistent, having moderate self-discharge. Coming to the cosmetic and physical defects, they have minor dents, scratches, or slightly different dimensions. These cells having lower consistency requires careful sorting and balancing, as one weak cell can drag down the performance of entire pack. Now coming to the second cells, these are the batteries that have finished their first life in an electrical vehicle or high power industrial application and have been repurposed. Second cells having 60 to 85% of rating capacity. Their IR value is high and uneven. They are having high rate of self-discharge, reduced capacity, generally having 60 to 85% of the original capacity, that is state of health. Coming to the cost perspective, they are having a lower cost as compared to B grade and A grade cells, as they do not follow much quality control. At Eastman, we are very clear and honest. We always use grade A cells. We never sell grade B as grade A because market reality is very simple. Best quality at cheaper price never exists. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman.